Good morning, everyone. My name is Fang Yi. Today, I will present my research titled Views to Engagement, TikTok Analysis. This study focuses on how firms can improve short-term video marketing strategies based on real TikTok platform data. First, I will start with the introduction and background. The key idea of the chapter is to understand true engagement. In the digital marketing environment, not just a simple exposure or views. TikTok is no longer just a platform for distributing content. It has become a data-rich environment where firms can observe how users actually respond. In this study, I focus on the shift from exposure to engagement because posting more videos does not always mean better results. The main problem is that high views do not always lead to high likes, comments, or shares. The crux over that every click exposure, many firms still rely on the intuition when deciding video length, posting time, and hashtags. Therefore, this study uses quantitative analysis to identify which content account features truly influence user interaction. The core metric in the study is engagement rate. The simple means engagement rate is 14.4%. I use the metric because views can be affected by TikTok's algorithm. While engagement rate better reflects how many users actually respond after seeing the video. This study has three research questions. First, what are the overall characteristics of TikTok user interaction? Second, content and account features significantly relate to engagement performance. Third, how can firms use the data to improve their TikTok content strategy? For the theoretical foundation, I use the SOR model, Consumer Brand Engagement Theory. In the context, video duration, posting time, and music can be seen as the external stimuli. User responses, such as likes and comments, represent actually engagement behavior. For the research design, this study adopts the quantitative empirical approach. The data come from the secondary public TikTok data sites. The unit of analysis is single TikTok video. The main methods include the description statistics, exploratory data analysis, correlation analysis, and multiple regression. Python is used for cleaning and modeling, while Tableau is used for visualization. The method's logical flow has four main steps. First, I define the research problem, interaction metric. Second, I acquire two public TikTok data sites. Third, I clean the data and construction variables. Finally, I run statistics models and translate the finding into a business strategy. The dependence variable is engagement rate, which measures real interaction performance relative to video exposure. The independence variables include content features such as video duration, hashtag count, original music, and posting time, as well as account features, including all the followers, verification status. After data cleaning, the main datasets contain 1,090 valid videos records with 15 story fields. It is used for detailed regression analysis. The supplementary dataset contain 19,084 valid records and is used to observe broadened patterns of interaction indicators. The descriptive statistics show that TikTok data are high and even. For example, the mean values of views, likes, comments, and shares are much higher than their medians. That means that few viral videos pile up the overall average. This leads to the first major finding. TikTok interaction data floor long-tail distribution. A small numbers of top videos receive massive traffic, while most videos remain the lower levels. Therefore, firms should not only focus on the views, but should use engagement rate to evaluate real use activation. The second finding is about posting time. The visual results show that videos posting in the evening at night tend to higher users' willingness to engage. This suggests that timing can influence how activity users respond to TikTok comments. The multiple regression results provide more detailed findings. Video duration has positive and significant effect, means that extremely short videos are not always the best. Night posting and original music also show strong positive effects. However, also floor shows negative relations with engagement rate, and hashtag count is not significant. The hypothesis testing summary confirms these results. H1 about video duration is supported. H2 and H4 about timing account features are partially supported. H3 about hashtag strategy is not supported. This means that simple adding more hashtags does not improve real engagement. In the discussion chapter, the main point is that firms need to re-evaluate the value of traffic. High-view counts may look successful, but without likes, comments, and shares, the exposure may remain superficial. The finding also challenge assumptions such as short is always better, and more hashtags are better. Based on the findings, I provide three recommendations. First, firms should conduct A testing on posting time and video duration. Second, they should treat audio as a core part of content planning. Third, they should stop overusing meaningless hashtags and focus more on content quality and interaction design. In conclusion, TikTok marketing should move towards an engagement rate oriented evaluation system. Firms should make decisions based on the multi-dimensional data rather than intuition. However, this study has limitations because public data do not include completion rate or details traffic sources. Future study can use sentiment analysis to examine comment emotional. That is the end of my presentation. This study used TikTok data to understand traffic patterns and provide more scientific marketing decisions. Thank you very much for your attention.